Hi, I'm Brandis Davis with the City of San Antonio's Human Resources Department, and this is Job of the Week. Today we're here at our Southeast Service Center, and I've got my friend John with me. Hi, John.
Hi, how are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Thank you. He's with our Transportation and Capital Improvements Department, and he's here to talk to us about a job. What job are we talking about today, John?
Well, today we're talking about our Fleet Maintenance Technician 2 position. It's a fun job, believe it or not. It doesn't sound like it might be a fun job, but it really is. It really is.
Oh, okay. Well, I like fun jobs. Can you tell us a little bit more about this opportunity?
Yes, the Fleet Maintenance Technician 2, the responsibility is to go out throughout the city of San Antonio, wherever we have crews working. And I'm talking about crews with heavy equipment, like front-end loaders and track loaders and milling machines. And their job is to go out there and fuel the equipment so that the operations do not stop to go out and get fuel like any other company will go to a gas station or a fleet depot. So this technician, he'll go out there and he'll fuel the equipment. Now, how we get the notification of the fuel request is the operators would normally inform their supervisors, I'm going to need some fuel for tomorrow, I'm running it at a low level, and then they would send an email to our supervisor in charge of the fleet maintenance technicians, and he will collect all those informations in all those areas and assign work orders to our fleet maintenance technicians.
Oh, okay. So this is really cool. I'll be honest, I didn't know that we had this program, but it sounds very smart and very efficient. So instead of having our heavy equipment and those operators come in to get refilled and things, we actually have technicians that will take the fuel and the fluids to them.
Exactly.
Oh,
exactly,
that is so
yes.
smart. Okay.
Yes, it is. And again, this is heavy, large equipment that you just can't operate on a day-to-day in the street. So it saves not only consumption of their own fuel to go seek for fuel, but it also does not hamper the program or the project into downtime. So it's a matter of time that the technician goes out there, fuels a truck, checks all the other fluids and vital parts of the equipment, and that's a quick inspection of the equipment at the same time. Well, our time at 6:30 a.m.
Oh, okay.
And they'll end their day at 3:00.
Anything else you'd like to share with our viewers about this position?
Yes, the requirements. We can talk about the requirements to be able to meet the minimum qualifications for this job. Of course, you need to have a GED.
Yes, yes.
You need to have a commercial driver's license class A CDL. With 2 endorsements.
Oh, okay.
The endorsements are number 1 is a hazmat endorsement because they are carrying a flammable fluid, and then a tanker because they do have a tank in the back that holds the fuel. So those are the 2 minimum requirements.
Oh, okay. And then now I know that obviously you have to have the CDL and you have to have all the training for the CDL. Do you need to have any experience with maintenance or repair or anything like that?
Yes, that comes in handy. You need to know what to look for. Of course, these big units, they're pretty much like a common motor vehicle. They do have radiators. They do have power steering. They should be time in showing interest in this position.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And if you're interested in this position, then I do encourage you to go onto our website at www.sanantonio.gov/careers. Also, if you like this video, then I encourage you to click that thumbs up button, comment down below, and subscribe. See you next week.
Adios.